Did you know that only 25% of adults feel financially independent? Yes. A staggering 75% of the population may be living paycheck to paycheck, struggling with debt, or feeling uncertain about their financial future. This is a wake-up call. Financial independence is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about having the freedom to make life choices without financial constraints. If you want to be part of that 25%, stick around as we unveil the 7 secrets to financial independence. The first secret to financial independence is setting clear, achievable financial goals. This is the foundation upon which financial independence is built. It's not enough to simply want to be wealthy. Instead, you must define what wealth means to you in specific, measurable terms. Let's imagine, for instance, that your goal is to have $1 million in your retirement account by the time you reach 65. This is a clear, quantifiable objective. Now you can break this down into smaller, more manageable targets. Maybe you need to save $3,000 each month or invest a certain percentage of your income regularly. But setting goals is just the first step. It's equally important to create a detailed plan to achieve them. This is where budgeting comes in. A well-crafted budget serves as a roadmap guiding you towards your financial goals. It helps you monitor your income and expenses, identify unnecessary expenditures, and ensure that you're saving enough to meet your targets. Saving strategies also play a crucial role. You could consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account or investing in a retirement fund. These are just a few examples of how you can make your money work for you. It's important to remember that financial independence doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, discipline, and consistency. But with clear goals, a solid plan, and the right saving strategies, it's absolutely within your reach. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So take the first step towards your financial independence today by setting your financial goals and crafting a plan to achieve them. The second secret is creating passive income streams. Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it. Imagine having a golden goose that lays golden eggs. You're not doing the laying, but you're reaping the benefits. That's passive income for you. It could come from rental properties, dividend stocks, or even an online business that operates on autopilot. The beautiful thing about passive income is that it keeps flowing, whether you're sleeping, vacationing in the Bahamas, or exploring the Himalayas. The key to building passive income streams is starting small but thinking big. Don't be discouraged if your first stream is more a trickle than a torrent. It's a start, and every river starts with a single drop. Now, passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires upfront work and investment. But once it's set up, it's like a snowball rolling downhill, growing larger and faster with time. Passive income can be your ticket to financial freedom. The third secret is wise investments. It's not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you. This is where investing comes into play. By investing wisely, you can create a stream of income that grows over time, even while you're sleeping. But it's not as simple as throwing your money at the latest hot stock or trendy startup. Investing wisely means understanding your risk tolerance, diversifying your portfolio, and staying informed about the markets. It's about playing the long game and being patient. Diversification is key. By spreading your investments across a range of asset types, you can mitigate risk and increase potential returns. It's like the old saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Understanding risk management is also crucial. It's about balancing potential gains with potential losses and knowing when to hold them and when to fold them. Investing wisely can be a game changer in your financial journey. The fourth secret is living below your means. Now, this might sound like a tough nut to crack, but it's actually a simple concept with profound implications. It's about adopting a lifestyle that is sustainable with your current income, without needing to stretch your wallet thin or constantly play catch-up with your expenses. Picture this. You earn $1, but instead of spending it all, you only spend 70 cents and save the remaining 30. This approach is what we refer to as living below your means. It's about being mindful of your spending habits, distinguishing between wants and needs, and prioritizing savings and investments over immediate gratification. This doesn't mean you have to live a life of deprivation. Rather, it's about making smart choices that align with your financial goals. It's about seeing the bigger picture and realizing that every cent saved today is a step closer to your financial independence tomorrow. Living below your means can significantly accelerate your path to financial independence. The fifth secret is continuous learning. Picture a tree. Just as a tree grows stronger with each new ring, so too does our financial prowess with every lesson learned. This growth is not achieved by chance, but through continuous learning and self-improvement. Knowledge is the key that unlocks the door to financial independence. By consistently investing time in education and skill development, we increase our earning potential and open up new avenues for wealth creation. Consider the world of finance. It's vast, complex, and constantly changing. To navigate it effectively, we must stay informed, adapt, and evolve. Whether it's understanding the latest investment trends, mastering budgeting techniques, or learning about tax laws, every piece of knowledge adds to our financial tool belt. Moreover, continuous learning extends beyond traditional education. It involves cultivating a mindset of curiosity, embracing new experiences, and learning from our mistakes. To quote a timeless adage, never stop learning because life never stops teaching. The sixth secret is protecting your assets. Imagine you've built a castle of wealth but left the doors wide open. Any unforeseen circumstance could come in and wipe out your hard-earned fortune. That's where insurance comes in. It's like a shield defending you from the unexpected blows of life, be it health issues, accidents, or natural disasters. It's about managing risks, not leaving things to chance. Now, let's talk about estate planning. Think of it as a map you leave behind, guiding your loved ones and distributing your assets according to your wishes. Without it, disputes could arise, tearing families apart and possibly depleting your estate through legal fees. So, take the time to secure your financial castle. Consult with professionals, understand your options, and make informed decisions. Remember, protecting your assets is as important as acquiring them. The seventh and final secret is cultivating a positive money mindset. This is the psychological aspect of financial independence. It isn't enough to simply have a plan and work towards it. You need to believe in your ability to achieve your financial goals. Your mindset influences your decisions and actions, and it can either propel you towards financial independence or hold you back. If you view money as a scarce resource, you'll likely act out of fear and limit your financial growth. But if you see money as abundant and accessible, you'll be more likely to take calculated risks and make strategic decisions that can significantly increase your wealth. Overcoming limiting beliefs about money is crucial. These beliefs often stem from our past experiences and can unconsciously dictate our financial behavior. By recognizing and challenging these beliefs, you can transform your relationship with money. Your mindset is a powerful tool. Use it wisely. To recap, we have revealed the 7 secrets to financial independence. But let's take a moment to reflect on how these strategies can truly transform your financial well-being and future prospects. First, we spoke about setting clear financial goals. Having a detailed plan, which includes budgeting and saving strategies, is the bedrock of financial independence. It's about knowing where you want to go and how you're going to get there. Next, we delved into the power of passive income. This is an incredibly effective way to generate wealth over time with minimal effort. It's about making your money work for you even when you're not actively working. We also discussed the significance of investing wisely. Diversifying your portfolio, understanding risk management, and making informed decisions can lead to long-term financial stability. It's not about getting rich quick, but about building wealth slowly and surely. Living below your means is another key secret. By embracing frugal living, you can save more, invest more, and ultimately achieve more. It's not about deprivation, but about making smart choices that will pay off in the future. Continuous learning and self-improvement also play a crucial role. By investing in your education and skill development, you can increase your earning potential. It's about being a lifelong learner, always eager to grow and improve. We then touched on the importance of protecting your assets. Through insurance and estate planning, you can safeguard your financial stability and secure a legacy for future generations. It's about ensuring that what you've worked hard for is well protected. Lastly, we explored the psychological aspect of financial independence. Mindset shifts, overcoming limiting beliefs, and cultivating a positive relationship with money can make a huge difference. It's about viewing money not as a source of stress, but as a tool for freedom and opportunity. Remember, financial independence is not a dream, it's a decision. It's about taking control of your financial future one step at a time. And with these 7 secrets in your arsenal, you're well on your way to achieving it.